Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ThunderCore token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ThunderCore TT is a high-performance Ethereum-compatible blockchain platform designed to make Web3 development and adoption scalable, low-cost and accessible for developers and businesses. Scalable blockchain infrastructure, AI throughput network built for speed and low transaction fees, developer-focused ecosystem, offers tools like ThunderCore to simplify integration Web3 features into apps, community-driven governance. The TT token facilitates network security and community-led decision-making. ThunderCore project institution rating is 4.4 and this project audited by Ceratic. ThunderCore token total supply is 14.46 billion and circulating supply is also 14.46 billion TT token. TT token is listed on MK.io, KuCoin, Bithumb and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.